They had an oopsie. Oops.
They had an oopsie during birthday week.
Yeah, that's how it's been going this week.
What the hell?
I'm sad.
That's how it's been going this week. Okay. Unappreciative of the Panda Express because you didn't get Jimmy Jams?
Yeah, that's how it's going.
Whatever.
That's how it's going.
Made brownies. Oh, did you make brownies? Those are nasty.
I didn't know you were making brownie soup. Zoop.
You gonna make soup with calzone? I don't know if I want that anymore.
Well, yeah, my work days have turned into...
Kill me!
Yeah.
Anyway, what are we doing?
What do you think we're doing? We're fishing.
Where?
Guntersville.
Yeah, but as you can see, our boat got hauled off because
It broke.
it's brokey. And that's not funsies.
Just like my spirit. Just like my birthday spirit. It's gone. Gone with the wind.
Don't listen to him. He's annoying. Anyway, they're going to bring us a bigger and better boat.
Yes, better. It's later, so it's not better.
He's going to go fish by the dock because he's the...
I don't want to miss the morning bite. I woke up at 3:30 in the morning.
the butt crack of dawn.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. I'm going to help
They're
him.
probably like, you woke up at 3, but you don't even have your reel on your rod yet. I do. I have my other reel on my other rod, but now I got time, so I'm just setting up my other rod because I got nothing better to do because they had an oopsie.
Yeah, okay.
Birthday week.
Okay, so I'm going to help him out, y'all. I'm going to tie whatever shit he wants tied on.
All right.
Okay. We'll see you on the water. I'd rather show you us on the water than him on the dock screaming his head off. How's it going? How's it going? How's it going?
It's going.
Okay.
I thought you were talking to the sky.
No. What you got on there? Ooh.
Things are happening. What do I got on right now? I got a jig with a cinnamon worm.
Whoop.
Top water just wasn't it.
I'm gonna switch too. Oh. Whoa, you got something or you stuck? Ooh, let's see. Wow, it's a snake. brekkie time. Ian packed us peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Fine cuisine. What's that word? Fancy food?
Fancy food?
Yeah.
Gourmet?
Gourmet.
Or as Judy says, gourmet.
It's gourmet.
We're having a good time so far. We left the spot we were originally first at, and now we're here at another spot. It's supposed to be shallow over here, about 2 to 3 feet deep. And apparently the fish bite over here, so we'll see if we can get something. If you guys are ever around Guntersville and you want to fish and you want to go on a boat, Bass Boat Rentals.
It's the place.
Yeah. This is our second time with or using Bass Boat Rentals. I think we'll be using them a lot when we come here. What do you think?
Oh yeah, the boats are very nice. The people are very good. Overall, just
A great experience the first time. Great experience second time. So yeah, we're gonna eat our sandwiches and see if we can catch something. That would have. But it also would have been funnier if you did get a fish on and I didn't record.
caught one, but
Wait, start over. Okay.
So I caught one, but I
Hold
feel
on.
bad.
Hold on. Let's see if we can. Okay. If I don't want him to jiggle on me. So if you can see that right by the eye, turn it around. Right in the mouth. By the eye. That's.
You think this guy's got a chance?
Yeah, I think he's got a chance. I just think you need to be gentle with him. There you go. How bad is it? How bad is... Oh, God. Will he float?
Well,
Okay. I think he's okay.
how are we going to catch the dinks? I mean, I don't need a huge one, but come on. That's like pet fish right there.
Boy.
But at least we've caught a fish at this lake.
Yeah, I would just say...
First Guntersville
I would
fish
just
ever.
I would just
I would
say
just
I'm
I'm
great.
happy to catch a fish.
Exactly.
We're gonna get a bigger one. You see.
Uh-huh.
Woo! Oh,
How's it going?
nice.
Yeah.
This is what I got on now.
Same jig, but what do you have on there now?
Green monkey.
Nice.
That's a big one. Big guy.
Big guy. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, he's putting them back in. Wow.
Freaking small guy, but
Whoa, hold on now. Hi. Oh, be careful. He's pokey. Oh, shoot. Another one. Plop, plop.
right through his eye. Right through. Look.
Whoa. Oh, he's bleeding. He's bleeding. Uh-oh.
I think I need some help with this.
Sure. Let me put this down and help Ian, and then we'll have him hold his fish.